Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Where the Gnomes Live. This is Sharon Oyella, and today we're going to be looking at something a little bit different than I normally build. Normally I'm building gnome houses and tree houses and things like that. Today I'm going to show you the worm house. This house is quite deceptive. It looks very tiny, but it actually folds out into two rooms like a puzzle, and it's full of furniture. And it's actually this little box here. This is the identical match to that box that I used. So I'm going to be putting together a tutorial on how I turned this box into a fold-out house that has two rooms. And I'll link you to that at the end of the video. But first we're going to take a little tour. Every time I lay it out like this, I'm always amazed how much stuff I actually got to fit inside that little tiny space. Although it took me a few tries, I had to practice at stacking all of it, and it has to be stacked just so, otherwise it won't all fit. Aside from the dishes and a few odds and ends like the basket, I made everything myself, and I did so with cardboard, wood filler, paper clay, scrapbook paper, fabric, and I will have a blog post. It should be popping up on your screen. Also look in the description box below. In that blog post I'll link all of the tutorials that I have available already, like this little lamp. This is already available on my YouTube channel. So this fold-out part was actually unplanned when I first started the house. When I first made the worm, I didn't know I was going to make a house, and I made the house, and I was only going to have this one little space in there, but it ended up not being enough space, of course, because I wanted to make a wife and everything. So that's when I came up with this idea here, and then making these fold out a little bit more just adds so much more room. Now that I've done this, it's such an exciting little design because it can be used as a great gift for birthday or Christmas time. You know, someone who loves miniatures. It's like a little treasure box. You can fold in the floor, add in all your little treasures, close up the box, and when they open it up, how fun to pull everything out and set the house up. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you in the next video. If you're interested in making one, I will show you how to do it. So I'll see you over there.